All right, so a couple tips for installing the scale. The first thing you want to do is take this bar and flip it around. So this is how it comes stock. You want to flip it around for the BestBale version. Okay, then you can see here you want to get the scale installed. So you've got your carriage bolt, then your spacer, and then your fender washer, and then your lock nut there on both sides. And you'll go ahead and at the same time or before install this bracket here. Okay, and then that's what your shock mounts to, top and bottom. And then what you want to do is you'll want to adjust your scale platform first. So a good starting point is to have the bolts in the middle of the platform. So this is set up for about a 34 to 35 inch bale right there. For a 30-inch bale, you would slide the platform all the way forward. For a 38-inch bale, you would slide the platform all the way backward. So use that gauge accordingly. The next thing you'll want to do is adjust this shock coil tensioner to the middle setting. Just use a pair of channel locks to grab onto that. You want to take the weight off the scale with one hand and then rotate it with the other. Put that in the middle setting. And then for 55-pound bales, we set this on the second setting. If you get over like 65 pounds, you might want to move this the shock to the end setting to give it just a little more leverage. The heavier you go, the farther out you'll want to be. And then after you get all that done, then you'll want to go ahead and adjust these two bolts, the upper shock mount. So right now I'm at 3 3/8. But what you want to do is you want to set that so the platform is slightly raised, just like that. So it's not quite parallel with the chamber, it is slightly raised. And the idea is that when the bale comes out and lands on the scale, that it's as level to the ground as possible, but then when the bale falls off, it still lays it down instead of standing it up. And the other key part to that is you want to make sure that your baler is level. So take a level, put it on your twine box, put it up here on the baler, right there, sorry. And adjust your hitch here to get that level first. And then, because that will affect your bale chamber angle. So set that first and then come here and set this, but that's really how you want it to look, about like that.